Euro USD, we start with daily chart. Okay, as we can see based on daily chart, even in my last video I mentioned when we analyze that we want to see whether this is the start of the up move and the price can broke this top, or still we can expect to get a bigger correction for next move down. Now we want to see how we can trade it if we move to 4-hour chart. Okay, based on 4-hour chart, what we are talking right now, where is that? I mean, we are talking about this top. We want to see whether the price can break this one or not. If I make it more clear, all right. And as you can see, the price almost near. What we're looking for the breakout of the price of 1.2189. Okay, we want to see whether this one can continue and break or not, because we have been looking for two-way. We have been looking for this one. Whether this is the only down move and this is the start of the up move, the price have to break this one and continue, or this is the first and we're looking for this big expanding for one more drop. Okay, now the thing is whether we this one can break and continue, or still we can expect the down move. That's why buying or selling right now is quite, we need to know. I mean, we at least we have to take the, we have to get the trade set up and we should have the proper money management. Okay, now we want to see what's the next. And one more thing here, as we can see the price broke the previous top, and if we refer to make the divergence and as well here, but we cannot rely on that. Maybe after a few hours, for the if the price continue, we cannot see any more divergence. And if we move to 1-hour chart, first of all, if you refer to our analysis when the price was here, I mentioned first, if we want to look for buy, let the price drop before we look get the buy. Because I put this one, I mentioned we're looking for the running, exactly what we get. But the thing question is, we were expecting the price drop, then from there we look for buy. We get that this up move. The only thing is, the only opportunity for buy was this. Anyone buy from here? If they are in buy from this correction, no, they should know. At least manage the trade, because if the price even can move a bit higher but reverse, at least if there is a reversal, they know how to manage the trade. Okay, and if we move to 15-minute, as we can see, there was no other opportunity to buy from here. The best was here. It depends on traders whether, because the stop loss should be at least below this, whether they wanted to take this one in terms of the risk and reward based on what we have right now or not. Okay, anyway, we want to see what's the next. As I mentioned, now we want to see whether there is a continuation or still we can expect the price to reverse. For me, if I want to buy, I wait, since right now we see the price take this line. But if we see the breakout above, if we get the correction, then from there we can look for buy. But right now we cannot jump into the trade. We need to break out, correction, confirm for buy. But if we see the price reverse, any sell we take it, because if whether here or even if the price move higher, any reversal with the correction we take it as well for sell. Because if this one move in term of the, because at that time our stop loss will be at the top in term of the risk and reward, even if drop to this low, it can give us a really good trade. And even if we move to forward chart, any sell from the top, we can expect the price to retest this low. Okay, that's why if we get the sell setup in terms of the risk and reward, can give us really good sale, really good trade. But the only things right now we cannot confirm, because right now we will have both options, whether sell or buy. The only things is we need to see under a few hours what we get. If we get the breakout, we get the correction, or the price can break. As we can see now, the price is moving, we can get the sharp reversal. Okay, by the way, we just follow the chart. We don't jump into the trade, whether buy or sell right now. We have to give it some times to make a decision. Then from there, if I see any trade setup or any confirmation, I will share. Even if this one can sharply continue, we are not going to buy it, because we don't have any trade setup. Only trade setup was here, because we were in the price, we were expecting the price to drop. Then from there we buy, and right now we cannot buy anymore. And those traders that are in with this trade, I think at least move their stop loss to break even. In case the price move higher and sharply reverse, at least they can protect. Okay, by the way, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup, then from I will share on YouTube. Thanks.